everyone, welcome to another edition of Plant Talk. In this video I'm going to show you the harvesting of the potatoes that I grew from an already sprouted one. The link to the video where I show you how to grow them is in the top right corner and in the description box below. The right time to harvest potatoes is when the leaves have started to dry out. Looking at my plants, I think the time is right to dig these potatoes out. When I pull the plant out, I noticed that there were 1 or 2 small potatoes attached to the roots. I guess the root system isn't strong enough to hold or pull out the larger, heavier potatoes. So this is going to be a bit of a treasure hunt for me. If I use a spade or a shovel to dig the potatoes out, there is a risk that I might damage them. So it is best to use my hands. The potatoes were all scattered around under the ground on different depths. The ones close to the top were the easiest to take out than the ones that were deeper down. We did use a spade to carefully loosen up the soil so that it was easier for me to take out the potatoes that were deeper down. I have dug up as much as I could, removed the dirt and cleaned them ready to be weighed. It weighs between 3.5 to 4 kilograms. I removed the potato fruits from the plant, cleaned them and cut them to see what was inside. There were white little seeds inside. My mum helped me remove the seeds carefully with the help of a toothpick. These look a lot like sesame seeds. After a couple of days when the seeds were completely dry, I decided to sow them into a small pot filled with compost and observe what would happen. The seedling was growing at a snail's pace and the growth was painstakingly slow. I'm not sure if it had anything to do with the weather. I really hope that these grow well and result in some potatoes for me to harvest. Because of the slow growth, I can imagine why it is easier to grow potatoes from an already sprouted one or from seed potatoes that you get from the nursery. I'm glad I did this experiment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video. Bye!